Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss polygons. So what is polygon? A polygon is any plane figure with straight side. Types of polygons and how many angles do we have in a polygon? So types: number one, we have triangle. So triangle has three sides. Triangle has three sides. And number two, we have quadrilateral. Quadrilateral, it has four sides. Then three, we have pentagon. So pentagon have five sides. Number four, we have hexagon. Hexagon has six sides. So number five, we have heptagon. So heptagon has seven sides. Then we have octagon. So octagon has eight sides. So let's start with our first polygon. Our first polygon is triangle. So triangle has three sides. So triangle is, so as you can see, this is triangle. It has three sides, 1, 2 and 3. So the second one, we have quadrilateral. So this quadrilateral has four sides. It has four sides. So this is quadrilateral. Has four sides, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the next one is pentagon. So pentagon has five sides. So this is pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5. So the next one is hexagon. So hexagon has 6 sides. This is hexagon. So it has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexagon has 6. This one we have heptagon. Heptagon has 7 sides. It has 7 sides. We have 1, 2. This is heptagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sides. So heptagon has 7 sides. The next one is octagon. So octagon has 8 sides. Octagon has 8 sides. This is octagon. It has 8 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.